practice reading for beginners.
Hat, hat. Fat, fat. Cat, cat. Mat, mat. Pat, pat. Rat, rat. Mad, mad. Dad, dad. Lad, lad. Sad, sad. Bad, bad. Cad, cad. Sap, sap. Sat, sat. Tap, tap. Tam, tam. Van, van. Wag, wag. Bat, bat. Man, man. Map, map. Pan, pan. Bag, bag. Ban, ban. Jab, jab. Cab, cab. Dab, dab. Gab, gab. Pad, pad. Lab, lab. Nab, nab. Tab, tab. Fad, fad. Now let's read the words again. Hat, fat. Cat, mat. Pat, rat. Mad, dad. Lad, sad. Bad, cad. Sap, sat. Tap, tam. Van, wag. Bat, man. Map, pan. Bag, ban. Jab, cab. Dab, gab. Pad, lab, nab. Tab, fad. Den, den. Hen, hen. Pen, pen. Red, red. Fed, fed. Bed, bed. Get, get. Set, set. 10, 10. Vet, vet. Well, well. Now let's read the words again. Den, hen. Pen, red. Fed, bed. get, set, 10, vet, well, dig, dig, dip, dip, big, big, bin, bin, bit, bit, pit, pit, pin, pin, pig, pig, dill, dill, fill, fill, seal, seal, till, till, bill, bill, heel, heel, lid, lid, lit, lit, lip, lip, thin, thin, tin, tin, kin, kin, bin, bin. Now let's read the words again. Dig, dip, dip, big, bin, bit, pit, pin, pig, dill, fill, seal, till, bill, heel, lid, lit, lip, thin, tin, kin, bin, bought, bought, caught, caught, dot, dot, got, got, jot, jot, hot, hot, lot, lot, mott, mott, tot, tot, mom, mom, mop, mop, nod, nod, not, not, pot, pot, got, got, dog, dog, son, son. Now let's read the words again. Bought, caught, dot, got, jot, hot, lot, mott, tot, mom, mop, nod, not, pot, got, dog, son, sun, sun, tug, gum, gum, nub, nub, none, none, nut, nut, hop, hop, bud, bud, bug, bug, bun, bun, bus, bus, cut, cut. Now let's read the words again. Sun, tug, gum, nub, none, nut, hop, bud, bug, bun, bus, cut.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAN Tutorial Services.